exam 2 and 3 and 6 that's the 16 and sorry about that 17 and 18. Okay. Hi everybody, welcome to Peter Science Academy. Okay, number 2. This one is regarding to integer. integer에 관한 말이에요. integer는 정수니까 정수로 조심해. 정수는 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is just a whole number, whole. Okay, Jessica, so 3% is compared to compared to the quantitative books what they have it. Jessica has 4 times more than John. So I say John is Jack's book. Jessica has 4x. Also Jessica has 5 times more than Karen. So Karen has a Y book. So we can say 5y. So actually 4x is the same as 5y. We're gonna figure it out this later on. Then question is Karen has more than 40 books. So Jessica, how many books at least? So we're gonna compare to y and y over there. So more than 40, that means not including 40. That means 41, 42, 43, such a number. So that means Jessica have more than 200 books. More than, not including. 그러니까 more than 그러면은 포함시키는 게 아닙니다. 거기서 more than 40개가 아니고 41, 42, 43 이렇게 북이니까 41, 42, 43. Okay? So say okay. Then okay, make sure x and y are integer. So from here, Jessica has more than 40, so we're gonna pick 41. So then Jessica has a 205 book, right? Then that is the same as 5y. Then 205 should be same as 4x. So if you divide by 205 by 4x, x cannot be integer. So 41 is not acceptable. Once you do the 41, y is 41, 42, 43, doesn't work, y is 44, then it's going to be 220 books. So that is also same as 4x. So 4x is 220. So x is 54. So x is 54. Okay. Number 3. Okay. Judy now Judy is Judy and Adams. Okay. Judy is 2 times more than Adam. So we say Adam is x, then Judy age will be 2x. 6 years ago, she was 5 times than Adam. So 60 years ago, so now her age is 2x, but 60 years ago, Judy's age should be 2x minus 6, Adam will be same as x minus 6. So 5 times of this. So 2x minus 6, 60 years of 5 times of now, so now is x minus 6, right? So once you're solving this one, x is 8. So Judy's age is 16. Once you make a chart like this, everything is pretty easy. Number 6, B is greater than A. Make sure point is positive difference. So it should be B minus A, positive, because B is greater than A, should be B minus A, not A minus B. Make sure, okay? So from here B minus A, so given condition is C is A plus B, so A is C minus B. So we're gonna plug this over there, just rewrite it, B is right there, minus over there, A is C minus B. So A is C minus B. Once you open this, 2B minus C. Okay? So B minus A is 2B minus C. Number 16. This one is very because once you do science and physics, you have to change the unit, conversion of a unit. So you should be good at this, because most American students, more than, I don't know. Anyway, very, very important. Reason is, 이거는 꼭 하셔야 되는 거예요. 왜냐하면 미국, 전 세계, every country using the NKS unit, except the United States, because of this kind of problem. Okay, 36 kilometers per hour. That means per hour right there is an invisible one there, invisible one right there. We use a lot of invisible one in physics and calculus, and making sure I want to interest more. I'm going to reiterate about the invisible number 1, invisible one right there. So we're going to change it to this meter to second. Very simple, 36 right there. 1 kilometer, right? The invisible one right there, invisible one. 1 kilometer is 10 to 30 meter, or 1,000 meter. And the per right there, 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. 3,600 seconds. So we're gonna figure out this part and this part. So that means 36 times 1,000 over this one right there. Unit, simply write down this way, meter per second. Then once you cancel out, then 10 meter per second. Everything is the same, just like this. Okay? Number 17. This one is a very long, very lengthy sentence, but once you figure it, just practice. It's a good example. Okay. Some committee consists of Russian and American. Okay? Yes. Then, okay, male and female. Okay. 2/3 of this committee is male. That means they are mixed with Russian and American. Okay? And then, must be 1/3 is Russian, American, female, right there. Then, question is, from this part, American male is 3/8 of this part. That's why, given information, we're gonna figure it out more detail. So 2/3 of this much, so 2/3 of times this much, 3/8. Once you figure it out, this one, 1/4 is American, man. How about Russian? Okay, so they say 3/8 is American, so that's why 5. You have to figure out this 5 5 over 8 is Russian man. Okay, so 5 over 8 of this. That's why 2/3 times of 5 over 8. Okay, that is 5 over 12 Russian man. Okay, you have to figure out this part. Given the information is this. Given the information is also 3 over 5 Russian people. That means Russian man and female together. So question is, what is American female? So this is 2/3 should be 1/3 is Russian American female. Okay, so this one is Russian male and female. So we know this one right there, the Russian man. So once you subtract from there and Russian man, it's gonna be a Russian woman, Russian female. Okay, so 3 over 5 minus 5 over 12. This one is 60. No common denominator. Once you figure it out, 11 over 60. That is a Russian female. Then this part is 1/3 is a Russian female and American female. So Russian female is 11 over 60. So from here, American female will be 1/3 minus 11 over 60. Then calculation is such thing 3 over 20. So this one is very complicated, very heavy. But once you write down this chart like this, just practice. This part is important right there. This part is important. That is the point. Okay. Rest of 3 over 8. Then you have to figure out what is the actual portion. What is the actual portion is this one. So you have to, some kind of, this one you must do it. Okay, number 18. Number 18 is 8 to, everybody knows 16 is a 2 to x power, right? So you're going to change this 2 to 4th, equal 2 to x. So by comparison, x is 4. Same idea, make it same. Exponential, base, make the same base. So this one is the same as 2 to 3rd power 2x minus 4 equal, this one is 2 to 4 times x, right? So this one is distribution right there, 2, 6x minus 12. This one is 2 to 4x. So base is the same, base should be same. 6x is 12, 4x equal 4x. So x is 6. Okay? Okay, thank you.